Hello, today we're going to go over a new flavor that Mountain House has out. This is Wayne and I'm with Normal Prepping. The new flavor is cheesy beef enchilada bowl. Does that sound good? I'm looking forward to trying it out. Looking forward to tasting it. It contains beef, rice, beans, cheese, and corn, tortillas, and an enchilada sauce. It looks, by the picture, it looks like this could be a good one. As far as the nutrition, I always look at that for both backpacking and prepping. It has 660 calories, which is good for a full package. If you split the package, it's 330. But 660 is a good amount. Like I say, when you're backpacking or if you're in a stressful situation because, under prepping situations, then it's good to have a high calories. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with Mountain House's freeze-dried food. And amazingly enough, it has a 30-year shelf life. This one's best buy date is March 2055. Can you believe that? I'll probably won't be on this earth when this is no longer edible. And what's nice about the Mountain House is they sit down. You open them up, you kind of push them, they sit down. And then to to open it up, they already have a little place here you pull, go right across, rip that open. And they have like a little Ziploc in them too, which is kind of nice. Then you open it up. And when you open them up, I always like to shake it a little bit. And always remember, which I always forget, but do as I say, not as I do. And you take this out, you throw it aside. And if you happen to leave it in there, it's just fine. I've done it before where I've gotten it in my mouth and everything. And it says on there, don't eat it, but you know you don't need to swallow it. So let's look at this, the consistency. That's what it looks like in the bag. Let me get a spoon and show you. Looks like that. See? So it's kind of has little clumps. So for this, to make this one, it says 8 minutes, stir and reseal. Then let stand for another 7 minutes. And that's really important because otherwise you'll get some dried stuff on the bottom. So I'm going to pour this in. Get my handy dandy spoon. And when you stir these, you always want to try to stir them really good at the bottom and kind of stir up because they have a tendency sometimes to stick in the corners. So I'll stir that. Set this aside. And then it has it's like a seal. You seal it across like that. And now I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch this do its thing, so I will be back after when it's ready to test. Okay, I'm back. And we did it exactly like the directions. Sometimes with Mountain House I go a little longer, but when I stirred it, it appeared that this would work. We did the 8 minutes, I let it sit for 8 minutes, then we stirred it, and then went for another 7 minutes. So let's see what this looks like. I'm looking forward to some enchilada bowl. Okay. Oh, looks pretty good. Looks meaty. So let me get my spoon here. I'm used to eating these. Normally you can just eat these right out of the bag. So I'm used to that. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. Oh, that smells good. That smells like an enchilada. Oh, that smells like an enchilada. Yep. So far, just the way it smells is incredible. That didn't quite dry out. Perfect. That smells amazing. So we look at this. See, we got some beans, and you can see there's a little tortilla and a lot of meat. Look at that. This looks really good. So let me give it a try. Wow, that's good. It has a little heat. It starts off kind of smooth, like it should. and then it slowly builds up a little bit of heat, and then the heat kind of goes away. Yes, it is. And you can actually taste the corn. That's odd. Very good. This is really, really good. I mean, this could be one of my favorites. Oh yeah, I love the corn. I like that because it has a little bit of, crunch. It gives it a little crunch. And the beans, you can taste every layer. Something a lot of freeze-dried foods you can't, but this you can taste the beans. You can taste the tortillas. You can taste the sauce. I mean, if you put this in a full tortilla, you would think you're getting a regular enchilada. This right here is a good Mountain House meal. This is I'm definitely buying this. Definitely getting more of these. This is something I could look forward to. I highly recommend this one if you like spice. It is a little spicy. I can handle a lot of spice, so I'm not calibrated with most people, but it does have some spice, but it is excellent. If you guys try this out, let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate you watching. Any of you new viewers, welcome, and I will catch you next time.